Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol USMJ. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis. Did it yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And want to get some things updated here, as I had quite a few questions come in. And first, just right off the bat, what do I think about the chart? Well, that just depends. And what do I mean by it depends? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought up right around here and you were hoping to sell, within 20 minutes or within a day or whatever, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking kind of rough. But if you care about the big picture of things, then sure, the price did pull back today, but the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And when you want to build long-term uptrends, that's what it's all about. Put it in higher bases. And again, the bulls still have plenty of an opportunity to do that. So yeah, individually, one day in and of itself, the bears won out today. But you got to look at more than one day if you care about the big picture. And when you look at the big picture, like I said, bulls can still put in a higher low and continue on with the uptrend. So the one update, though, that does need to be made comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 0014 was a level of support going into today, but now that the price has broken below it, which happened there, this would be considered the initial area of resistance. So yes, up here at 0017, still certainly an area of resistance, but before there's any chatter about 0017, 0014 is that first level that the bulls need to first get back up above. And then flipping over to levels of support, all about 0009 at this point, which has been on the chart for a while. And if you've been watching my videos, I would assume that you're familiar with 0009. And why is that so important? Again, from the big picture perspective, I mean, the price could, I'm not saying it will, but let's just pretend it does head down here and then bounces around and then heads back up. Even at that point in time, you'd have this set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. And if you picture each one of those as stair steps, I mean, the big picture stair steps are still going in the upwards direction. So sure, today the price pulled back. Sure, the bears won the day, but one day does not make or break an overall uptrend. So we'll see what happens with it. But as it stands right now, and I know I've said this many times, but I want to just drive that home. Bulls can still put in a higher low and therefore continue on with the uptrend. So we'll see if they can do it or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.